Okay, so at this point I have finished the rafters all the way up until the door, the entry. And what I've done is I've bolted the 2x4 by 8s, which came out to just shy of 90 inches, and which sit kind of in between these metal brackets on either side. I measured 6 inches inward from the metal framing that's already up here on each one, so that I could basically just cut 6 inches out of the insulation and have one full piece of insulation to fit in that 24-inch area groove. And that's going to be below this, silvered bubble wrap stuff. So the main point of screwing the 2x4s into the 2x4s in the wall segments rather than the actual frame is that I wanted the walls and the ceilings and everything that I'm building in here to be, I don't want to use the word floating because that kind of gives the impression that it's not sturdy, but it's independent from the frame of the bus itself. There's nothing that's actually bolted into the frame of the bus anywhere in any of these screws. So the bus, as it twists and turns, won't have its as big an effect, I'm hoping, on the frame, the wood frame of the walls and the ceiling. So I guess we'll find out when it starts creaking, or whether nothing happens at all. I'm thinking nothing happening is a sign of success. So, it is hot as balls. Oh my god, I'm sweating my ass off.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If so, be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Construction on the tiny home is actually complete, so visit kyleodonnell.com/blog to binge watch the build. You'll not only read my personal journals during construction, you'll also see videos covering everything from solar installation and transforming bedrooms to wiring your electronics and off-grid plumbing.